Today's video is about a simple clutch setting from here. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and as today is Sunday, we have a new video, and this is regarding the clutch setting on our bike. It's a very simple task. So what happens after riding the bike for quite some time, few thousand kilometers, we see that we have issue with gear shifting. Sometimes it doesn't shift to neutral. It switches from second gear to first gear and first to second, but we have a pretty tough time switching it to second, and that's because of the engagement of clutch, because the clutch actually functions from here to here after quite long time. So we have to be very careful in setting it, because I'll tell you what happens. So the main setting has to be done from here. Okay, see, this is the place. So just remove this cover. This is the lock. Unscrew this part. Okay, this screw, and then adjust it accordingly. So if you twist it towards the lever, it gets looser. Okay, and you see the actual clutch works from here to here, and this is all a false play. In this part, when it's functioning the least, like when it has a lot of play or false part, and the actual clutch engagement is very less, you will have issues with gear shifting. You will face smoothness issue. Your bike will not run that smooth. But if you move it further towards, outwards, okay, did you see the change? Now the clutch is working from here till here. Okay, but the problem is this just looks good, okay, but is not that great. Why? I'll tell you. When you release your clutch till here, it doesn't work at all, and it suddenly works from here. So in this case, you will have an awesome gear shifting, very smooth, because the clutch is functioning completely. And the problem is that when you are revving up your bike, okay, after this part, you have put it on a particular gear, first or second or whatever, and you are revving it. After about few, like 6 or 7,000 rpm, you will feel like there is a lag, and you have to put some effort, like the bike lags power. So that's very important. It will eventually get till that speed, but there is a lag. You will feel like, the bike's power has dropped a bit. So right clutch setting is very important. So do not overdo it. Like I say always, do not overdo anything. So first, go back till here. Okay, go back to the least. You will see an issue with gear shifting. See, first, second, then I'll have an issue switching it to neutral. I normally have that, okay, switching to neutral when it's in this state. So what I do is, like I said, do not overdo it. Loosen it a bit, get it slightly tighter. Okay, take a ride after you know tightening it a little bit. Go and take a ride. You will be able to figure out the difference. Okay, so it should be in a right setting where the gear shifting is smooth, the bike's pickup is not affected, the top rpm is not affected. So this is all, friends. This is a very simple task, and this is a temporary fix, rather. I would say this is only with the lever, because there is another thing. Wait, I'll show you. There is another setting here. Okay, do you see that? So another setting here that has to be done properly. So both these factors matter. But last week I was having a problem, and For a long time I did not do anything, but when I worked on this, it made me feel a lot better. So I just thought to share it with you guys so that everybody is benefited with this, and then put it back to normal. And now you see how dirty is my tank. I compared it with another bike similar. It was standing near me. I think this is because of the tank bag or something. The color has started to fade away. So what I'll do is I will do a wax polish on this and see what the difference is. So a quick wax polish time lapse. Important part is polishing it properly. Just that applying the wax polish doesn't work. I had a Pulsar previously and I used to use a lot of wax polish on it on a regular basis, like monthly once, and the main shine comes only after you rub it a lot. Yeah. It will eventually come, I know, or maybe the actual coat is gone or something. And the next thing that we'll do is setting up a dash cam. Like one person told me to set up a dash cam so that the video quality would be good while motor vlogging, because I tried to set up a dash cam, I'm not able to set it up properly, so I'm not able to find the proper space where to set up the dash cam. So I'm a little confused. Should I set it up here or here on the mirror? I tried to set it up on the mirror, but it started vibrating like anything, and the mount was not set up properly. The base was not fixed because it was a flat mount and this is kind of curved, so I have to put on some extra 3M stickers. And guys, there is one more thing I would like to share with you. This is a 3M tape. You can get it from any stationery store for about 100 rupees. Okay, and this works fantastic. So instead of getting the actual 3M mount stickers, you can get it and apply it like this. Let's say I need it on this. I can simply apply it like this. Okay, so this is the Garmin Verb. Finally I have set it up here as a dash cam. So this is how it would look. Now let me go for a ride and check how it looks. Okay. Alright friends, the tank is shining a bit. I'll have to polish it more, and everything looks good. and hope you got to know about the clutch setting a little bit, and try to follow. If you are sometimes, after riding a lot, we have that issue, we are not able to shift the gears properly, and sometimes we feel that it's an issue with the engine oil. The engine oil has gotten old or something, and we need to change it. Yes, that also plays an important role, but still, after doing everything, you can check it out here. All right, friends, hope you all have a great weekend. Today is Sunday. Hope to see you next Sunday or sometime between the next Sunday, and bye bye.